Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you have a contact lenses supplier business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your contact lenses supplier business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, very first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We currently have over 900. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market at the top, contact lenses supplier. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. It would literally do all the hard work. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that was pre-written for you, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone either to help you with this. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. Let me show you the ropes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And if you have a physical location, go ahead and put it in over here when your website's live. Your customers can actually click on that address at the top and take them directly to Google Maps for directions to your physical location. And update social links, so you can put in the various social media platforms, the links that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the social media icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section and upload it over here. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to make minor edits so that you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section, you want to make a little bit more personalized to your business. Go ahead and click on update section, that button, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device or search through the photo library, hundreds of high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account if you have a profile and automatically pull in all those images from your profile. And update actions, where we can change those call to action buttons, the text, as well as where the buttons link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with a catalog or brochure of the various contact lenses, colors, and types you have in stock at your business. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here, keep track of all your leads in your multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your community, go ahead and click that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on our platform for your contact lens supplier business. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.